Acelin Solar Security Light is the perfect combination of form and function. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Acelin Solar Security Light. Let's get into it. The Acelin Solar Security Light combines form with function, working as a fully automated outdoor security light with a polished modern anthracite grey design. This light is 12 cm tall, 25 cm wide and 6.6 cm deep. Let's open up the box and have a look. Inside the box we have the instructions, the cardboard guide, the screws, and we have the light. This light provides 500 lumens and emits a neutral crisp white glow. Before installing this light, you'll need to make sure your light is positioned well. For the best results, we recommend choosing a south-facing position. If you choose to position your light in a north-facing position, it will struggle in those darker winter months. The first thing you're going to want to do to install this light is use the cardboard guide to measure out where you want to hang your light. Once this is decided, you'll then need to use a drill to drill the holes. You can then insert the included wall plugs and screws into these holes. Your light should then be able to sit on top of these screws comfortably in the upward position. Before you place your light on the screws, you'll need to make sure you turn the light on. You can turn this light on by pushing the power button on the back of the light. This light has 3 different lighting modes. Press the power button once for mode 1. In mode 1, the light will remain on once the dusk sensor is activated at the 35 lumens. And then once motion is detected, the brightness will increase to the full 500 lumens for 30 seconds. Press the power button a second time to activate mode 2. In mode 2, the light won't light up at all until motion is activated. Once the motion has been triggered, the light will activate the full 500 lumens for 30 seconds. To activate mode 3, you'll need to press the power button a third time. In this mode, the motion sensor will be inactive, and instead the light will turn on automatically at dusk, emitting 35 lumens. Then it will turn off at dawn. You can press the power button a 4th time to turn the light off altogether. The Acelin Solar Security Light can trigger up to 500 activations per night, making it the perfect intruder deterrent. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.